Good evening, guys. It's been a good day so far. We had the CPA rates out and it was favorable, and we did see the Bitcoin market moving up from 15,600, 16,000 to 17,745, up close to 4% now, which is a good sign. Hope it goes up from here, and I think all the bullshit is all gone now. It's all washed out. Let's keep the FTX issue separately. That no that wiped a lot of FTX users. I'm so sorry for that. But let's focus. We have to move on and see good opportunities. So that's the reason I'm making this video today. I want to talk about Theta. So Theta is an interesting project. It did well in the previous bull run, and it was in my list, but unfortunately I was not able to buy last time because, as I told, I was focusing on many things. I had some projects which I eyed, and I was behind that. But Theta, I completely missed. But I was seeing I'm seeing Theta right from its early days, so that's fine. There is always no time to go and get new projects. But here, what is Theta doing? Theta is a blockchain powered network purpose built for video streaming, launched in March 2019. So as you see, they have created a centric business plan for growing ecosystem of service focused on esports, music, TV, movies, and education. The list of Theta Network partners include video streaming platforms like Samsung, CineDime, Shout Factory, Pandora TV, Play Labs, Theta TV. So to give a quick analysis about what Theta is doing, I think that the Theta, which performs various governance tasks within the network and counts Google, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, Sony Europe, and Samsung as along with a Guardian network of thousands of community run Guardian nodes. Okay, the native cryptocurrency. That's all fine. But let me see the price of what this decentralized video streaming, data delivery, edge computing network is looking like. The current price of Theta is $1, and the previous bull run it did up to a top of say about $7.57, $7.5, and the supply is a billion, and the circulating supply is billion. So I don't see big. The supply is good. It's low. I don't see big manipulation like it happens in other big supply oriented projects. I see it's a good network. I've been seeing this. They do have Theta Fuel, which is again another token which is used um, within Theta. I think this is an interesting project. Let me just go into their website and find out what they have interesting. Also why I think this might pump shortly, maybe the next 20 days or something, 15-20 days. I'll tell you why. Um, when it comes to DeFi space, what's built on Theta? World Swap, World Theta Swap, DeFi. What are these? Are these good swaps? I've never heard of this making any top. Let's check in DeFi Llama where Theta is, and where is Theta? So Theta is, I don't see them here. Oh, it's here. It's 51. Very small TVL. So this Theta Swap, Theta Cash, World Swap, oh, these are all very, very less in TVL. So that's not consider that at all. Leave it for now. Let's see what these games are. I don't know. I've never heard about these games. But what's so interesting is this NFT, Theta Drop. This should speak for them a little bit. And more important is that the video replay. Yes, I've heard about this. Theta TV. It's the next generation esports entertainment platform, a video tracking and payment platform. Rewarded. A blockchain enabled OTT streaming services, enabling viewers to earn crypto in real time for watching and sharing and engaging with their favorite content, which is interesting. So, that's what reward is. Just have a look at it so you can watch and earn crypto. I'm not sure where they are rewarded, no, where they've listed is rewarded, but I would explore to be very honest. But this is interesting. This is also interesting. The other portal that they developed, Theta TV. These are all in blockchain tech and video tracking and payment platform. That's also quite interesting. We need to explore more on this. And these are all okay. Sizzle, WPT shows, WordPress is a plugin which allows. So they have some projects built under them. The wallets are the regular wallets. They do have a Theta wallet. And what makes me so interesting is Theta Conference 22, which is, I don't know when this happened. Is it coming up? I don't know who these people are. The name is here, but when is this happening? All right, let's park this. But it's December 2nd and 4th, happening in Florida. All right, and this is one conference that is happening. I do have a news on Theta that there is a mainnet 4.0 that is getting launched. I believe that will be launched in this conference. It's on 1st of December, mainnet 4.0 launch. So, whenever there is a 4.0 update, definitely there will be a move in the price if the market conditions and trends are good. If the Bitcoin market is good, the Theta main chain works with AVAX, Ethereum, BSC, it integrates. All this information is provided here. Have a look at it. Um, the subchains, these subchains are, no, they use Theta Fuel to get in touch with the main chain. I believe that's how it works. So this 4.0 is a big news, and this will definitely drive the price as per this article. But when it comes to price, so they have some development. And another important thing that I saw about Theta leadership team is, and media advisors. You see, these guys are from YouTube. He's a co-founder of YouTube, Steve Chen. He's part of this advisory group. I'm not sure about Twitch. Justin Can. He's in the advisory group. Similarly, Verizon, big IT company, information tech company, Kyle Okamoto, he is also part of the advisory group. So they have a team, they have money behind. The leadership team is good. Uh, and blockchain advisors, all fine, but investors, you see the investors here. Sony is an investor with them. Sierra Ventures, Samsung next is an investor. Blockchain.com. Oh, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? All big names aligned here. But I think these guys can help them out. and to move forward. That's something interesting that I saw with Theta. But given all that, that's all fine, all good. Where do you see Theta before December 2nd? If the market moves, that'll be a question, right? All right, let's go into this one. So we have some news coming up for Theta. There is a conference happening in Florida, and that's what I see from whatever I understand. Let me just quickly pull this one. Oh, it's slow. Why? 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 Come on. Okay, this one is okay. But I can't draw any charts here in here. Okay. So it completely bottomed to wherever it is right now. Right? Yes, it did. And it's just moving up $1. When it goes up, it's 168. I need this badly. When the market moves, it's going to be 176, $2.69, and $3.50. I don't see anything beyond that. So if the market moves, I see this as a $3.50 token. Um, Not immediately, but close to the conference, it might go say about to a one and a half to $2. That's what I'm expecting. 50 cents to 60 cents. It can move from here when we get when we get closer to the conference. But I don't see anything beyond that with regards to Theta. That's what my analysis is looking like. For some reason, my trading view is not coming up, guys. I apologize, but with whatever I can see here, it might 1.72, as I said, 1.68, 1.72. $3 is the next stop, but I think it'll be somewhere between one and a half to $2 uh, by December 2nd or first, whenever the conference is starting. That's what I'm expecting from this token. So from $1, 50 cents or 75 cents extra is what we can see. The reason being, yes, it's a top project. Yes, it's doing well, but it has to do more. It has to do more. Just with the conference of mainnet 4.0, I'm not sure if that's going to be huge. But there is a lot of other things happening. The community has to be strong here. I don't see a lot of business development activity happening on this particular project. So I prefer. Oh, it's back. So it's working now for some reason. Um, Let me see. Okay, so this one. Okay, so it's here at $1 or something. It's pretty much there, and we need this to move up. So the next target would be $1.68, and if we break that, we need to break. 227, $2.25, and yes. So overall, but I think it'll be it, it might be easier, but I think it won't go that much. $3 immediately. It will take some time. But I see before this mainnet launch, we can see somewhere between $1.50 to $2 is what I am thinking of. 1.5 to 2. That's on 2nd December because of the mainnet 4.0 launch. So $1 is a big number. It might move up to $2, but this is what I think. I don't see big marketing or big news happening in Twitter or anywhere wherever people follow. So that's the reason I think, but I might be wrong. I'm too conservative when it comes to trading. I don't hype and exaggerate things. Say this is going to $15, $20. That's not the way things work here. It might happen sometimes, but if you know that, you can be someone else, right? So I'm very conservative in my approach, and I don't exaggerate things. And always, even this, whatever I give you as a conservative number, is not a financial advice. Please take that in your take that into account. And this is purely my analysis and what how I am seeing the market and how I'm going to get into the market. If I'm making profits or losses, up to me. But always consider yourself as a proper trader. Don't just go blindly with someone's advice. Take all the information, analyze it, make sure you understand it, and after that invest. There is always a risk whenever you invest in crypto. As you saw the last 48 hours, no one knew that FTX is gonna screw up this big. We thought it'll come back, but you saw the hole behind that 8 billion hole. So that's how crypto market works. So a good trader adapts to all those situations. So I saw this as a buying opportunity. Last 48 hours, I did buy more uh, altcoins, a little bit more, not much, because you need to plan. So the next would be, once the market moves another 10 5%, that's where I'll go and buy. So I have my own calculation to do. So based on that, you have your own strategy, and always make sure you understand and invest the projects like I showed you right now. This is a good project, but this is not as great as, say this is technically one of the greatest projects. I can't say like that because it is in the entertainment stream. Entertainment is a big market, as you know. There are a lot of competitors. So if this is going to move $5 $10, I'll be surprised immediately. So I'm saying it's going to be somewhere around 100 1.5 to $2. uh, all right, guys, that's pretty much my analysis. Give me your feedback if you like my conservative approach of getting into the market. Please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I hope it helped. Cheers. Bye.